Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can change wallpaper in a laptop or computer. If you see it helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Right click, personalize. Here we have solid color slideshow window spotlight. For example, solid color. You can select the color. Let's see how it appears. It appears like this. If you don't agree with this, just right click again, personalize. Here we have picture. You can bring one of these pictures, for example this one or this one. Let's see how it appears. You see, it's changing. Again, right click, personalize. We have another option. You can bring a picture from your device. Browse. For example, I downloaded this wallpaper. Click it, choose picture. Now, good. Let's see how it looks like. It looks like this. That's all. Have a nice day.